Hi, today what we're going to look at is Unit 1, Lesson 11, and we are going to learn how to check our subtraction work. And I know that sounds like something that might take a lot, but it's actually not. We're actually going to use addition to check our subtraction. And I know, again, that might sound a little weird, but it'll actually make a lot of sense once you see it. So I'm going to pull up our little pad that we use, and we're just going to take a look at problems 3 and 4. So taking a look at problem number 3, we have 163,406 minus 84,357. And according to the author of the book, he says it's 79,159. And a way to check to see if your answer is correct is by taking the bottom two numbers and adding them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 84,357 and I'm going to take 79,159 and I am going to add them. So we're going to use the inverse operation to check our work. So what we're going to do is these two numbers added together should equal the number that he started with, which is the top number here, 163,406. So let's check his work. So 7 plus 9 is 16, and we regroup. And I'm going to use new groups above, so I'm going to put it above. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And I'm already seeing that maybe there might be an issue in our tens place. And 3 plus 1 is 4, not 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. And I'm going to regroup again and put it above. I'm using new groups above. And 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So taking a look at our number real quick, and I'm going to change our pen. If I look at the ones place, I have a 6 here, and he has a 6 over here. I have a 1 in my tens place, and he has a 0. I have a 4, he has a 4, and we have 163 in the thousands place. So somewhere he has lost the subtraction. So taking a look at the tens place, I'm going to sweep this off, and I'm going to use his problem, and I'm going to say 163,406 minus 84,357. Somewhere he messed up in the tens place. So if we look at all of our numbers across, I see that in the ones place, I'm going to need to ungroup. In the tens place, I'm going to need to ungroup. In the hundreds place, I see I have enough, so I may need to borrow from this hundreds group. If I look at the thousands place, I need to ungroup. And if I look in the 10,000s place, I need to ungroup, and there's nothing in the 100,000s, so I'm going to probably have to borrow from here. So I'm going to start all the way over to my left, and I know that if I ungroup this, I can turn it into 16, and if I take from the 16 to give to the number to the right in my thousands place, then this is going to become 15. And so if I give to this number, I'm all set. I don't need to ungroup anymore. But I can borrow from this number and get a 3. So if I take 1 from the hundreds place and give it to the tens place, I know I still need 1 to ungroup to give to the ones place. So then I have 9. And then I have 16. So 16 minus 7 is 9. That's what he had. 9 minus 5 is 4. And according to him, he had 5 over here. 3 plus minus 3 is 0. 13 minus 4 is 9. And 15 minus 8 is 7. So we found where his error was. He forgot to ungroup his tens place. So let's take a look at number 4. And we'll quickly take a look at number 4. I'm going to change this over to black because it's a lot easier to see. So remember, we're going to use addition to check our subtraction. Again, that sounds strange, but it really works. So 139,268 minus, or plus, sorry, 413,473 I should end up with the number that he has up here, which is 526,741. So let's take a look. 8 plus 3 is 11. We're going to regroup. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 7 is 14. Regroup again. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. So far, he looks like he has the same numbers. 9 plus 3 is actually 12. And I'm going to regroup. 3 plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So can you spot where he made the error?